So YouTube demonetized my channel. Hi guys, I'm Jay. This is one of my channels, Make Money with Jay, and this is where I share all my creations and that. I try to make money over on Amazon KDP, over on Etsy, and with blogging, as well as YouTube. But I share all my videos, I create them, I show you what I'm doing, how I'm doing it, my income, etc. But one of my biggest earners is my YouTube channel, which is Movies, Games, Beyond. Yeah. This is the one I first started with my sons. We upload about movies. We started off as games as well, but then we just cut it down to movies. And we've grown it. It's got 24,500 subscribers. They get subscribers every day. I thought it was doing alright, but then YouTube decided to demonetize me. Now, it says the reason why they demonetized me, they said that it's like repetitive content and it looks like it's created from like one of them, like, I don't know, like it looks like, they said basically it's like it's bulk creation, it's things like that, I don't know, probably from one of them AI machines. But guys, they're not. That's what I don't understand. Yeah, every single, well, not every single one, but every single one, like for the last like 9 to 10 months. Yeah, I think it's like these ones here. For the last year, I have been creating with my own voiceover, my voice. I get the script written for me. Yeah. I add to the script my own personal things, and then I read it out on like a podcast, and then I send the MP3 over to a creator who then creates the video. Yeah. So I don't understand why I'm getting demonetized. I mean, some of my older videos, don't get me wrong, are just like slideshows. Yeah. And like these ones here, I think these ones use the old software Bitnami. Yeah. But then they've got loads of views. So I don't really want to delete them because I've got loads of views. Now, my biggest video, I think, is, I mean, look at this one, 1.1 million views. Yeah, it's not got my voiceover on it, and it's got like images and clips of videos, yeah? Same with more than some of these. But I don't want to delete them, guys, because look at how many views, like 1 million views, yeah? Almost a million. It's like, I don't know what to do, guys. What do you recommend? Should I delete them? But then I'll lose all my views, I'll probably lose loads of subscribers. I mean, a lot of my old, I mean, I'm still talking in some of them, yeah? Still talking in some of them, it's just like some of them, a lot of the old ones ain't got no voiceover, they're just text on the screen. Maybe some of them have got AI voice, but the majority of my videos, yeah, all the new ones, I'm getting. Now what YouTube tend to do, I apply and I get re-monetized. Yeah? I get monetized. And then about a month or two later, they demonetize me and say the same thing. Every time it's the same thing. Now I used to have almost 1,000 videos on this. So every time I got demonetized, I go and delete loads of videos. Yeah? So all the ones what ain't doing that good or ain't made that many views, etc., I've deleted them. But now I'm at a stage where a lot of my videos now have got really good views, yeah. Apart from these new ones, some of these are still like making views, getting views. But a lot of my old ones, I deleted. I've deleted so many videos, guys, and I still get demonetized. So it's a big chunk of money what I was earning, yeah. And now to get demonetized, it's heartbreaking. But I'm trying to keep making new videos, yeah. I'm going to keep using my voiceover, and then eventually, hopefully, when YouTube recheck my videos and think, they might see that 80% of my videos have got voiceover and only 20% have not got voiceover. So then they might say, okay, the favour's in you. You've got more than that. You know what I mean? At the moment, it might be in reverse. Like there might be more videos without voiceover than there is with voice, and that's what they might be looking at. So I'm just going to keep making videos for it, and hopefully I'll get re-monetized, guys. I'll get monetized again, guys. So if you if you're experiencing problems or you know anything about the YouTube laws and that, let me know, guys, because what can I do to improve it without deleting my videos? Because like I said, if I sort by this, yeah, most popular, look at this, 1.5 million views 2 years ago, yeah, 1.1 million views, it's getting 41 views per hour, this one, 1 million views, almost a million, yeah, and some of the titles, they're not my favourite, guys, and that's why I've not done voiceover from, but it was created by people who know about this stuff, so that's why I've uploaded them. Yeah. Let us know, guys, yeah? If you know anything about it, let us know, please, because it's racking my brains, I don't have a clue. Yeah? Back to my main page, which is... So yeah, that's the video for today, guys. YouTube demonetized my channel. Yeah, it was my biggest earner. I'm earning money on Etsy, I'm earning money on Amazon KDP, I'm earning money on my blog. Granted, they're not much on any of them, right? YouTube was my biggest earner, and now demonetized. It's been going on like that for like about a year. I get monetized, demonetized, monetized, demonetized, monetized, and so on, guys. It's just, I just want to be monetized and yeah. This channel isn't monetized. I've not even got enough watch hours yet. I've got over 1,000 subscribers, but the watch time's pretty poor. So feel free to binge watch a lot of my videos and try and help get this channel monetized, yeah? So anyway, thanks so much for watching, guys. Until next time, goodbye.